Welcome back to my channel. Look at this background right now. I literally can't. It is 6:30, it is dark out, and I am just starting this video. So as you guys know, through December, I am uploading every single day. So I am planning, filming, editing, and uploading everything myself. And it has been all-consuming, as you can imagine, so I have not had time to do anything else, especially clean my apartment. It's honestly just such a mess. I was looking at it this morning, and I was like, I know what video we're filming today. I hate cleaning, so a lot of the time I have to force myself to clean and keep things picked up. Something that helps me to stay motivated when I say I need to clean my room is to romanticize cleaning. And I know that sounds so random, but on this channel I talk all about how important it is to romanticize everything in your life, because sometimes it's really hard to hold yourself accountable and do the things that you don't really want to do, but doing these things will be better for you anyway, so you have to just force yourself. So when it comes to cleaning, I'm always in that boat. I know it'll make me feel more productive. I know it'll make my space look refreshed, and a clean space is a clean mind. But when I start to romanticize the idea of cleaning, it makes me do it, and I'm more excited to. So I just took a shower, I washed my hair, I put on this outfit. It's very clean girl aesthetic, but once you see my apartment, you'll know I am definitely not fitting the clean girl aesthetic. I have on some super comfy clothes, my slippers, and fuzzy socks. I am gonna wake myself up with a cup of coffee, light a couple candles so it smells really good in here, and I have my TV going. As you can see, we just are all about the vibes in this video. So I am starting today upstairs in my kitchen and living room, and then we're gonna move downstairs to my bathroom. So I don't want to be up all night. Let's get started. So here is my full outfit for tonight. I'm wearing these leggings, very comfy, and then I have this bodysuit underneath. It's just gray. It's really comfy and movable. I have on this white zip-up sweater, so I am wearing this, and it also kind of matches my slippers, right? So cute. So this is the look for tonight, and I took off all my jewelry so I can get myself moving. I hate cleaning with my rings on, especially doing the dishes, which I am not looking forward to. I think the best thing to do when I clean my entire apartment is start with the hardest part first. I hate doing the dishes, I hate cleaning the kitchen, so knocking this out first will make everything way easier. And we're in perfect view of my TV, so I can put on my show while I do the dishes. Let's get started. The dishwasher is going, but what a huge difference on this kitchen island. I feel like it kind of transformed the entire room with just this being clean. So whenever I'm cleaning, I always like to start with the biggest thing in the room. So in my room, it would be making my bed, because as soon as that's done, the entire room looks way better. So in the middle of my upstairs is this big kitchen island, so that being clean first already makes everything else look way cleaner. I did all the dishes. I'm so glad that's done. I loaded the dishwasher, I washed the pots and pans. I even cleaned the sink and put one of those drops down the garbage disposal so it smells like lemon. I wiped off the counter, threw away the trash. It looks so good. It's sparkling. So next I'm gonna work on this part of my room. This is a huge open space in my living room, and last night I decorated the tree with ornaments, so I have all of these storage boxes out. I'm gonna start just packing everything away and putting them in the boxes right over there, just so they're not in the middle of the room. It is looking so good in this kitchen. I can't believe I got all this done. So I cleared off all the countertops, did the dishes in the sink, washed all the pots and pans. There was a lot of trash and stuff to wipe down. I am obsessed also with how this kitchen is coming along. As you guys know, I just moved into this apartment, so I feel like I'm finally getting set up and everything looks so good. The sink is shining. I mean, what a huge difference from what it was before. I love it. So I have already gotten so much done in this video, but I just checked the time and it's already been an hour and a half. I've just had my show playing in the background, so it's gone by really fast and I'm really happy with my progress. I'm gonna finish off this upstairs with the living area. I have my couch and some blankets that I want to fold, and then we're gonna head downstairs. And my hair is like pretty much dry, so you guys know I've been doing this for a while. So this is where I edit my videos every day on this couch. I've spent way too much time on here this month. So all of this stuff is kind of a mess. I have chargers, computer, iPad, different cords, my headphones, like just everything. So I really want to clear this space off. Also, I talked about this in one of my last videos, but I've been doing my makeup on the couch like every day recently. I love watching TV and doing my makeup and getting ready, so I'm gonna take this downstairs. Actually, do I even want to do that? Because I'm gonna want it tomorrow. I'm just gonna put this in a new place upstairs because I know I'm gonna want it tomorrow. That actually made a huge difference, just cleaning off the couch and folding everything. I put the cushions back in place, so it looks perfect. I have a little pile at the end of my couch just of my stuff that was all laid out here that I use for editing. I still need to edit tonight, so I'm leaving that out because I'm gonna need it anyway. But this part of my apartment looks so much better. I love it, especially with the Christmas blanket. So that was a huge improvement for this entire upstairs. I think it's looking so much better. It actually makes me feel so productive, and it smells so good in here with these candles. This one smells like Christmas tree. I love it. I love like the warm candle scents in a clean apartment. It's the best combo. So I just made it downstairs into my bathroom and it is a disaster. This is where I start my morning every day, and it doesn't make me feel any better that it's not looking good. I took a shower, as I said, so there's my towel. I have like, my mirror is disgusting since I brush my teeth here every day. There's just stuff out everywhere. The problem is I ran out of paper towels today. Of course, the day I like actually really need them for this video. So all I have is regular kitchen towels. So I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to clean the mirror. I think I'm just gonna focus on the countertops and reorganizing everything. It's gonna look way better once this is all clean. And by the way, this is my cleaning sponge. It's different from my dishes sponge. That looks so much better. It's way cleaner. I love having everything off the countertop and putting it in here. It just saves so much space. So that is it for the bathroom. It didn't look too bad in here. I'll definitely do a deep clean soon, but we've only been living in this apartment for a couple weeks, so it's kind of just the stuff we have left out so far and making sure everything stays organized. That is pretty much it for the cleaning for today. I think we made so much progress. Like, looking around my room right now, I'm so happy we did that tonight. It always pays off so well. It's just the starting that's the hardest part. I got so much done in today's video. Thank you so much for watching and staying until the end. and I know I'm gonna feel so productive now tomorrow. If you guys are just joining me for the daily December uploads, then welcome, or if you've been watching since the first episode, let me know in the comments. Honestly, I'm so curious to see what video you guys started on. This was Vlogmas episode 10. I cannot believe we're already in the double digits. I can't believe it's already been 10 videos uploaded in a row. This is my first time ever doing daily uploads, so it's been a lot, but I'm enjoying it so much. I think this was the perfect video to add. I'm gonna head over to my advent calendar and eat today's chocolate for day 10. If you guys didn't know, a part of this Vlogmas series is to eat a chocolate from the advent calendar every day to count down December together. Thank you guys so much again for staying until the end of today's video. I hope you have an amazing, productive rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye guys. Mwah.